Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take this tinsel tree that I got from the Dollar Tree and I am going to give it a beautiful makeover. So the first thing I did was just cut all the tinsel off. I did not like the way this looked, but I knew it had an awesome base. And then I'm just going to take this 15-foot garland that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and then I am just going to start wrapping it around the tree. And to hold it in place, it has wire in it already, so I just kind of twisted the bottom. And then I am just wrapping this around the entire tree. And then I did end up making 3 of these, but I'm just showing you how I made one. But the other 2, I kind of pushed the garland more towards the bottom, so I did end up using the whole 15-foot garland. And then once the garland was all wrapped around the tree form, I just took some wire cutters and cut it, and then I just kind of made a point at the top. And then I had this little basket I got from a thrift store. I only paid 25 cents for it, and this tree fit perfect, and I was super excited. And then I also just got these little bulbs from the Dollar Tree. There is 16 in a pack, and I thought these were so cute, and this is like such a simple little thing to do. And then for my second one, I just took some of these little white berries and then I just cut them into a bunch of pieces. They didn't have to be perfect or the same size, but I think these ones looked really cute. And then just to add another touch to this, I just took some fairy lights that I had. I got these from a company called On For You. I also did a review for these, but they send you a bunch of them for a pretty good price. So if I can find the link for you, I will leave it in the description box. And these turned out so cute. And then I just kind of wrapped it and then just tucked the little on and off button at the bottom. And then the third one, I am just going to be gluing a bunch of pine cones together. I got these from Dollar General. And then I'm also going to just take a pick from the Dollar Tree. I take a lot of these picks and just rip them apart. But I'm just going to take some of these like little red berries and then just make it give a little more color to this tree. And I'm just going to put a few all around it. But that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love how these 3 trees turned out, and I like that they all have different styles to them because you can definitely make these your own and style them exactly how your decor looks. But if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!